Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's address the elephant in the digital room. There's no universally acknowledged fatal flaw in iPhone's new security features that warrants a simple code fix. Apple's security is generally very robust, and they rapidly patch any discovered vulnerabilities. Furthermore, directly modifying core iPhone security features without access to Apple's internal systems and signing keys is generally impossible for the average user. However, the concept of mitigating security weaknesses does exist, and you can build additional layers of security on top of the existing iOS system, especially within the context of apps you develop yourself. You can also address common user behavior issues that inadvertently introduce security risks. Therefore, let's approach this by discussing several common scenarios where flaws, more accurately, vulnerabilities or areas for improvement, might arise, and how you can harden your own code and applications against them. We'll use Swift code examples for iOS development. Important disclaimer: this tutorial focuses on improving the security of your applications on iOS, not on bypassing or modifying the core iOS security mechanisms. Attempting to directly modify the operating system is likely to brick your device.